Hi, and welcome to this video on decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. DeFi is a rapidly growing trend in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space, and it's worth taking a few minutes to understand what it is and how it works. So, what is DeFi? At its core, DeFi is a set of financial services that are built on blockchain technology. This means that they are decentralized, which means that they are not controlled by any single entity or organization. Instead, DeFi services are run on decentralized networks of computers that are managed by a global community of users. One of the main advantages of DeFi is that it allows for peer-to-peer financial transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks or other financial institutions. This can make financial services faster, cheaper, and more accessible to everyone. Some examples of DeFi services include decentralized exchanges, which allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with each other, and decentralized lending platforms, which allow users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies and other assets. There are also DeFi services for insurance, prediction markets, and more. One unique aspect of DeFi is the use of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, for governance. A DAO is a decentralized governance structure that allows a community of users to make decisions about the direction and development of a project. DAOs are open and transparent, with all activity recorded on the blockchain, and they are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any single entity or organization. While DeFi has many benefits, it also has its fair share of challenges. For example, DeFi protocols can be complex and may require users to have a certain level of technical knowledge to use them. Additionally, DeFi is still a relatively new and rapidly evolving space, and there are risks associated with investing in untested protocols or projects. It's important for users to do their due diligence and understand the risks before getting involved in DeFi. Despite these challenges, DeFi has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about financial services, and it is already having a big impact on the traditional financial system. It's worth keeping an eye on this space as it continues to evolve and grow.